I know that this is a lot, but for us, it's everything. You've met the gatherers. You may call me Kim May. We humbly call ourselves the gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts. Ray! Oh yes, and what she is leading is the spark of hope we've all been waiting for. And that is why you're here. To look ahead and to build this. Wait for it. Lightsaber. We got taken care of the apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And now we hear Ray. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, sometimes called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, Kylo Ren, and maybe this kid here give the thumbs up. Never true, kid, never true. But these are all stories.
You will know. It is time.
Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time to take that first step. Everyone, we've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I'll have you all take a step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, we'll all activate at once. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Step forward. Hand on your hilt, and activate. It's okay. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber that the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And just like them, you too may change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Everyone please deactivate and lower your saber now.
Complete your lightsaber.
Yeah, that's awesome. It's amazing.
All right, fight.
Wait.